Good afternoon, mister. Thank you for coming in today. How can I assist you?
Good afternoon, sir. I need your help with the legal matter.
First, may I know your name, mister?
Of course, my name is Brown.
Nice name. It's me, Lawyer Smith. Now, can you tell me matter like what kind of matter is it?
My neighbor is claiming that my fence is encroaching on his property, but I have been maintaining the fence for over 10 years, and I thought it was on my property. I need to know what my rights are and how to defend myself.
I see. Well, the first step would be to review your property deed and the neighbor's deed to determine the exact boundary lines. After that, we can access whether the fence is actually encroaching or not. If it is, we can discuss the possible options to remedy the situation.
Okay, sounds good. How long do you think the process will take?
It really depends on the complexity of the case and how cooperative your neighbor is. It could take a few months or even longer as it goes to court.
What are the chances of it going to court?
It's difficult to predict, but we will do our best to negotiate a settlement with your neighbor. However, if that's not possible, we will be prepared to go to court and fight for your rights.
Okay, thank you for your help. How much will it cost?
I will provide you with the detailed breakdown of the cost and fees involved. Once we have a better understanding of the scope of the case, we will work together to find the fee arrangement that works for both of us.
That's an amazing idea. I will follow you.
Before we end the meeting, do you have any other question or concerns?
Yes, I do. What kind of information or documents do you need from me to proceed with the case?
We will need copies of your property deed, any surveys or maps related to the property, and any correspondence or agreements you have with your neighbor regarding the fence. Additionally, if there have been any prior disputes with your neighbor, it would be helpful to have that information as well.
All right, I will gather all the necessary documents and send them to you as soon as possible.
Great! Once we have all the information we need, we will begin our research and analysis and keep you updated throughout the process.
That sounds good. Thank you for your help, Mr. Smith.
You're welcome, Mr. Brown. Don't hesitate to contact with me if you have any further questions or concerns. Have a good day.
Okay, sir, thanks for your precious time.
No worries, it's my pleasure. Hi, Mr. Johnson. I want to talk to you about fans that's been causing some issues between us.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Sure, what do you want to discuss?
Well, you claimed that my fence is encroaching on your property, but I've been maintaining it for over 10 years and I saw it was on my property. I had a meeting with my lawyer and we reviewed the property deeds and maps, and it turns out the fence is actually on my property.
Oh, I see. I had my own survey done and it showed that the fence was on my property. But if you have proof that it's on your property, I guess I was mistaken.
Yes, it was an honest mistake on both our parts. I just wanted to clear things up and make sure that we can resolve this issue amicably.
Agreed. I'm glad we can resolve this without going to court. So what do you suggest we do next?
Well, my lawyer suggested that we could either move the fence to the correct property line or we could sign an agreement that states that the fence is on my property and that you have no claim to it.
I think signing an agreement would be the best course of action. I don't really want to move the fence, and it's not a big deal to me if it's on your property.
Alright, that sounds good. I will have my lawyer draft up an agreement and we can both review and sign it.
Great. Thank you for being reasonable and handling this matter professionally.
You're welcome and thank you for understanding. I hope this resolves the issue and we can continue to be good neighbors.
Absolutely. Let's put this behind us and move forward.
Sounds good. Have a good day, Mr. Johnson.
You too, Mr. Brown.
Hi, Mr. Johnson. I want to talk to you about something that's been weighing on me.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Sure, what's on your mind?
I know this might sound strange, but I wanted to clear the air about something that happened a while ago. Your wife and I had a conversation at a community event, and I think it was misinterpreted by others.
Okay, what do you mean?
Well, I think some people saw us talking and assumed that there was some kind of romantic relationship between us. I just want to say that nothing inappropriate happened between us, and I never had any intentions of pursuing anything with her.
I see. I did hear some rumors about that, but I didn't really pay them any attention. I trust my wife, and I trust you too. I don't think you would do anything to hurt our family.
Thank you for understanding. I just want to make sure there were no hard feelings and we can continue to be good neighbors.
Of course. I appreciate you bringing this up and being honest with me. I know rumors can be hurtful and cause a lot of unnecessary drama.
Yes, that's why I want to address it directly and clear the air. I hope we can put this behind us and move forward.
Absolutely. I don't see any reason why we can't. Thanks for coming to me with this, Mr. Brown.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. Let's continue to be good neighbors and support each other in the community.
That's true. Have a good day.
You too. Hi, Mrs. Johnson. I want to talk to you about something that's been on my mind for a while.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Sure, what's going on?
Well, I know there have been rumors going around about us, and I just wanted to apologize for any role I may have played in that.
I'm not sure I understand. What rumors are you referring to?
I think some people may have seen us talking at the community event and assumed that there was some kind of romantic relationship between us. I just want to clear the air and let you know that nothing inappropriate happened between us, and I never had any intentions of pursuing anything with you.
Oh, I see. Thank you for being honest with me. I appreciate that you came to me directly to address this.
Of course, I know rumors can be hurtful and cause a lot of unnecessary drama. I didn't want to contribute to that. I hope you can forgive me for any role I played in this.
There is nothing to forgive, Mr. Brown. I trust my husband, and I trust you too. I know that there was nothing inappropriate about our conversation, and I don't think anyone should be spreading rumors about us.
Thank you for understanding. I just wanted to make sure that there were no hard feelings and that we can continue to be good neighbors.
Absolutely. I'm glad we had this conversation and cleared the air. Thank you for being respectful and honest with me.
You're welcome, Mrs. Johnson. Let's continue to be good neighbors and support each other in the community.
Agreed. Have a good day.
You too. Mr. Johnson, I was wondering if you and your wife would like to join me and my family for dinner this weekend.
That sounds great. What's the occasion?
No occasion really. I just wanted to extend the invitation as a way of saying sorry for any misunderstanding that may have occurred between us and to show that I value our friendship.
That's very thoughtful of you. We would love to join you for dinner. What time should we come over?
How about 6 p.m. on Saturday? I'll have some food prepared and we can all catch up and have a good time.
Sounds perfect. We will be there at 6 p.m. on Saturday.
Great! Looking forward to it. And if there are any dietary restrictions or preferences, please let me know.
Will do. Thank you for the invitation, Mr. Brown. We really appreciate it.
No problem, Mr. Johnson. See you on Saturday.
See you then.